Today, the Potter County Jail started offering COVID-19 vaccines to their inmates. KMR Local 4's Kaylee Green has details as they begin administering the Johnson & Johnson one-dose vaccine to those who want it.
Potter County Sheriff Brian Thomas says the jail got its initial allotment of J&J vaccines from the Amarillo Public Health Department.
We were contacted by the health department last week, and they gave us some of the vaccines for our jail. We have approximately 50.
The CDC says each J&J vial has 5 doses. At 50 vials, it's enough for 250 doses. Sheriff Thomas says they usually have about 470 inmates.
Finding our inmates that are medically fragile, that have some kind of diabetes, heart condition, anything that would have put them in that higher category. So those are the ones that we're going after first. And once we get those, then we'll do the ones that are over 65.
Sheriff Thomas says then they will vaccinate those in the medical unit and finally the rest of the inmates. He says the jail is not offering vaccines to employees.
We have offered them to go to the Civic Center like everybody else. They have offered that to us a couple of weeks ago because we're first responders working in the jail.
And because J&J is one dose, they won't have to worry about tracking inmates down for a second dose.
If we gave one today, there's no guarantee they're going to be here for 28 days or that they won't get out. And then it's up to them, and will they go get it or not is really, who knows. So at least this way we've got it all done in one. So that's been very helpful.
Wednesday, Amarillo Public Health Director Casey Stoughton said they are making sure the Potter and Randall County jails have the supplies they need. As of Wednesday night, the Randall County Sheriff's Office said it was not providing vaccines to inmates because they couldn't ensure those inmates would be there to get the second shot. They also said they had not had access to the J&J one-dose vaccine.
We've reached out to the Amarillo Public Health Department for an update on potential allotments of J&J doses for the Randall County Jail, as well as the Sheriff's Office. We haven't heard back from either at this time, but we should note the Texas Commission on Jail Standards says, quote, that is a decision made at the local level in regards to how their vaccine allotments are distributed. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KMR Local 4 News. Andy.
Okay, thank you. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice provided vaccination data as of this time last week. They say the total number of TDCJ staff and employees vaccinated across the state, nearly 18,000. More than 10,000 have received their first dose. Just more than 7,000 have received their second. TDCJ says for inmates, more than 1,800 are vaccinated. However, there is no information on dosage splits or units for inmates yet. We've actually reached out to TDCJ for more updated numbers, but have not gotten a response.